Most people get this wrong. They think Main Street BNPL is just another buy now pay later app that hides fees. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it has evolved into a transparent, user-friendly platform for splitting payments with clear schedules and minimal surprises. Here's how it works. Main Street BNPL lets you purchase goods or services and pay in installments, usually over a few weeks. At checkout, the app shows exactly how much each payment will be and when it's due. No hidden fees appear if you pay on time. This makes budgeting simple, especially for planned purchases like electronics, furniture, or medical expenses. One standout feature is integration with multiple online and in-store retailers. You simply select Main Street BNPL at checkout, choose your installment plan, and the app handles the rest. You also get a dashboard to track upcoming payments, ensuring you never miss a due date. The downside: missed payments can incur late fees and impact your credit profile. Main Street BNPL is best used for planned purchases, not impulsive shopping. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only use it for items you can pay off on schedule. 2. Monitor your dashboard to track upcoming payments. 3. Avoid stacking multiple BNPL purchases at the same time. Who benefits most? Shoppers who want flexible payments for planned purchases. Impulse buyers may find themselves accumulating fees quickly. In conclusion, Main Street BNPL in 2026 is a reliable and transparent way to split payments, but only if used responsibly. Treat it as a budgeting tool, follow payment schedules, and track your spending. Subscribe for more honest reviews and practical financial advice.